Welcome back everyone. If you're new to my channel, my name's Emma and this is Maggie, my 2013 VW Caddy Maxi Life that I've built myself, and I've had it coming up 3 years now. Today I'm going to show you how I turn my cosy little micro camper into a large kitchen space, an office or an art studio with just the help of a couple of little tables. So whether it pops up, slides out, flips up, slots in or swivels around, I'm going to show you how I can create more space in my micro camper. So first of all, I'll show you how I extend the kitchen worktop that I've already got, which is quite a small space. So I've got a little flip up one here, and then a table that lives in the side pocket, and that just slots in there. Gives me a bit extra space on the worktop. So this is the one that I use most often if I just want to make a quick cuppa on my stove. And also I've got a little mat that goes on there. If I'm doing washing up, I can just pile it all on there to dry off, and that doesn't let the water go through. So next I'll show you my other flip-up table. This one is behind the driver's seat, and it just flips up like that. What I do then is take the bin out of its little retaining strap. That slots down in there so it's out of the way for the night. So you can see there it's a great space to put some bags at night. There's loads of room behind that seat. Keeps everything out of your way, and I can access the bin easier. You can see here just how much more space you get if you slide the seats forward. I've got my fridge on one side and then the pop-up table and the bin on the other side. Next up I'll show you what I use if I want even more space. Just like the blue table, the black one can slide in here, with the bracket underneath to support it, and it's held along the back by the cabinet. This gap here on the side cupboard is just exactly the right size to fit a 15mm board through. And if any of the tables that are on the top there are in the way and I need to get something out the side pocket, I can also go through the side here. But this one is also dual purpose because it does have a leg on it. I'll just get the legs out of the cupboard and I'll show you that one next. Right, this is the legs for the table, so we'll pop them up and I'll show you how it works. On the side of my seat I've got this little bracket that's bolted on, and this is what the leg slides onto. First you slide the upright on, lock it into place, and you've got the top bar, the slots on there, lock it into place, and then the table just slots on top, like that. So there we go, it lines up the kitchen worktop, or you can swivel it all the way around to that side. We use it as a table for eating on. Or you can use them all together to make one big space. Cheers! Now I will always prefer to cook outside if I can. It can get quite hot and smelly inside the van, even though I've got a max fan, so I've got some ventilation. But if I need to, I have another option. So I can also fit my big Caddy stove on here, and I can also position it so that it's right underneath the fan if I'm cooking something. I've also just got back into doing some drawing, so it's nice to have space to do that too. I think he's coming on okay. And my least favourite work So next up we have this little black one that I made. Now I've made this the same footprint as my Bluety power bank, because if you've seen my previous video you'll have seen that I had to take out the box that I built for the power bank because there wasn't enough ventilation around the Bluety and it was overheating. So I've come up with this. That slots under there, like that, and that's on there securely so I can put my power bank up on there at night. I can also use this little black table by the door. So I've got two little brackets here that flip up. You can pop that on there and then put your drinks on there if you're sat outside. So that this little shelf would stay on securely, I marked two lines where the edge of the cupboard was and then I fixed two blocks to it. The front edge is held in place by the kitchen worktop and the two blocks just stop it moving side to side. That's pretty secure on there. So if I want to use my kitchen table, I'll just take that out, slide that out of there, put my kitchen table in, put it back in there. That one goes back in there. This is not for when you're driving, it will go on the floor strapped down, and then this will go up here at night. It'll be fine there when I'm in bed because it's up out of the way, and then just put it back on the floor and strap it down when you're going to move. Now sometimes when you're building these things you just get a happy little accident, and it just so happens that my monitor fits in the gap perfectly, so it's a good place to watch a film. Now I did also build a slide out shelf in the back of the van, but I can quite honestly say in 3 years I've never used it, and I always take the Caddy out and put it on a table to cook. I don't know why, just never found it necessary, so I won't recommend that one just because I haven't used it. So there we go, that's the tour of my tables that I use in my Caddy Maxi Life to make extra space and extra worktops. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got any questions please leave them in the comments below. I'll also leave links below for any pop-up brackets or table legs and things like that I've shown today. They are affiliate links, so if you want to support the channel and you buy something, I will earn a couple of extra pennies, but it won't cost you any extra. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.